In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change the resolution in Assassin's Creed Unity. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. You will be able to change the resolution for the game inside of the graphics options. I recommend that you do this process before you actually start playing the game, so go back to the main menu, but keep in mind that you will be able to change and test out different resolutions inside of the game itself. It's just personal preference. First, what you have to do is go into the options and select the graphics category. Inside of the graphics category, you will find these four options related to your resolution: the aspect ratio, the actual resolution itself, the refresh rate, and the window mode. If all that you want to do is adjust the resolution, go to the second option and you will be able to browse through all the options that your monitor supports. I recommend that you choose the one that is native to your monitor's resolution and the changes will be applied instantly. You can revert them back if you encounter any issues. You then have other options like I mentioned, the aspect ratio, refresh rate, and window mode. To get the best gameplay experience possible, set the refresh rate to the maximum that your monitor allows, set the window mode to exclusive full screen, and the aspect ratio to the native monitors that you have. After you change these, they will be applied instantly and you will be able to play through Assassin's Creed Unity in the new resolution. I hope I was able to help you on how to change the resolution in Assassin's Creed Unity. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.